Hey everyone, I've had so many of you guys asking for more build videos, and I'd love to. There's a but though. A project I'd like to tackle is the Sam Maloof rocking chair, one of the most beautiful and challenging woodworking builds out there. And more importantly, something I've wanted to do for a very long time. Here's the catch. Whilst the templates, plans have been purchased, the materials alone are expensive. And I just can't afford to take that hit again. In the past, I've built projects purely for the joy, but truth be told, I ended up way out of pocket. It's all sitting there, not selling really. So this time I'm asking for your help. Believe me, it pains me to do this. So I've set up a GoFundMe to cover the cost of the materials. Nothing more. Everything you contribute goes into making this build. And I'll be producing a full video doc, tuition showing the whole process along the way, what jigs I make, etc. Not just a video of watching me make a chair. If you've enjoyed one of my videos or want to see the Maloof chair come to life, please consider supporting the project. Even sharing helps the campaign a ton. Thank you all for watching, encouraging and being a part of this community. Let's make something amazing together. I'll put a link in the description to the GoFundMe page. At this moment in time, I would like to make it out of sapele and quilted maple or quarter sawn sycamore, which gives you that lacy, quilty look. Very, very similar woods. It'll still be the very same effect anyway. Thank you guys, be lucky, speak to you soon. So if you like the cut of my jib, please like and subscribe, share if you're really feeling kinky, and we'll see each other again.